Welcome Startup Sparks viewers. Today we're diving into the story of one of the most influential figures in artificial intelligence, Sam Altman. How did he build OpenAI? What sparked his interest in AI? And what does the future hold for AI and humanity? Let's find out. Early life and career of Sam Altman. Sam Altman was born in 1985 in Missouri, USA. From a young age, he showed a keen interest in technology. At just 8 years old, he got his first computer and started coding. He studied computer science at Stanford University, but like many successful entrepreneurs, dropped out before graduating. In 2005, he launched his first major startup, Looped, a location-based social networking app that caught the attention of Silicon Valley. Although it didn't achieve massive success, it was a valuable learning experience for Altman. Y Combinator and supporting startups. In 2014, Sam Altman took over from Paul Graham as the president of Y Combinator, one of the most prestigious startup accelerators in the world. Y Combinator had already helped launch companies like Airbnb, Dropbox, and Reddit. Under Altman's leadership, the program expanded its reach and invested in thousands of startups, shaping the future of tech entrepreneurship. But his true passion lay elsewhere: artificial intelligence. The birth of OpenAI and the AI vision. In 2015, Sam Altman co-founded OpenAI alongside Elon Musk and a group of visionary investors. Their mission? To develop AI that would benefit all of humanity. Initially, OpenAI was established as a non-profit research company dedicated to ensuring that AI advancements would be used ethically and responsibly. ChatGPT and OpenAI's breakthrough moment. In 2022, OpenAI introduced ChatGPT, and the world took notice. This AI model could understand and generate human-like text, creating everything from essays to jokes, business strategies, and even poetry. ChatGPT quickly gained millions of users, solidifying OpenAI's position as a leader in artificial intelligence. Following this success, OpenAI developed other groundbreaking technologies like DALL-E, Codex, and GPT-4. Sam Altman's vision for the future. Sam Altman believes that AI will be one of the most transformative technologies in human history. However, he emphasizes that its development must be done carefully, ensuring ethical use and safety. Currently, OpenAI is working on making AI even more powerful and accessible, with the potential to revolutionize education, healthcare, business, and countless other industries. Conclusion: the AI pioneer. Sam Altman has left a remarkable impact on the tech world. From supporting startups through Y Combinator to revolutionizing AI with OpenAI, his vision has shaped the future of technology. What do you think AI will look like in the next 10 years? Share your thoughts in the comments. And of course, if you love inspiring stories like this, don't forget to subscribe to Startup Sparks. See you in the next episode.